Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can change your allocated RAM space on Minecraft. So in order to do this, we need to launch Minecraft by the Java launcher firstly. If you are on the Windows version, this won't work. So once we are on the Java launcher here, what you want to do is actually go over here under Java Minecraft Java Edition and click on installations. Here you have all your Minecraft releases that you have installed on your PC. From here, just select the button that you are going to use and go over to the little button with 3 dots. Once you've clicked on it, just go over to edit. And as you can see right here, your screen should now look something like this. Here we are going to click on more options, which is right here. And it should pop up a menu just like this. And the last thing is JVM arguments. Here we are going to edit a number that signifies our allocated RAM. As you can see right here, it says 2G at the beginning, and that signifies how much RAM I have allocated. And that means I have 2 gigabytes of RAM allocated. And you can edit this out to a number just below your PC RAM. For example, I have 16 gigs of RAM, so I'm just going to edit it to 16. But you can have less, but just don't include more than you actually have on your computer. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now you can just click play on that release that you just edited and it should work. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.